Alright, y'all. 10-cent denomination, $5 minimum bet. 6 free games. Come on. Come on. Hats, hats, hats. Oh no. Come on, hats. Now's your chance, hats. Oh, dear. Come on, one right here. Come on. Oh, that was dog dookie. Dog dookie. Who knows? It can do whatever it wants, I guess, but at least it was a $5 minimum bet, not a max bet. 10-cent denom. Well, $15, y'all. $42.50. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I am bringing y'all along for the ride. $100 in, 10-cent denom. We are going to max bet. Let's get it. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on. One more chance. Nope. Another time.